guys, today's not going to be a how-to video. Instead, I'm going to tell you about me, who I am, and why I started my YouTube channel. Hi guys, my name is Katrin and I'm originally from Germany, but I now live in Sydney. Well, currently. Who knows where I'm gonna be tomorrow? To give you a bit of background, I grew up in East Germany in the 80s. I'm an 80s child, yes I am. And that means I grew up behind a wall. Sounds familiar? Hello Trump. People in East Germany weren't allowed to travel anywhere. There were lots of restrictions. We couldn't speak our mind. We couldn't just start businesses how we wanted to. A lot of stuff. It wasn't a very pleasant place to be. In 1989, when the wall came down and Germany was reunited, little me of 7 years old, made the pact with myself that I will always live life to the fullest and I will make sure to always pursue my happiness. So what makes me happy? Freedom makes me happy. Being able to live anywhere I want to live. Being my own boss. Creating my own opportunities. Working on stuff that I want to work on. Working with people that I want to work with. That all makes me so happy. 2. Learning makes me happy. I am a sponge. If I don't learn, I get sad and depressed and really bored. And I feel, for me personally, the more I know, the more tools I have to create the life that I want to live. So every day, I'd say every day there's something that I learn. I'll make sure I learn something, and let it even be to move to another country to learn about the culture and experiencing new stuff, create a new business to experience a new industry, or pretty much just sit down and teach myself a new skill, either for the business or for something else that I do. So that is the learning part of me. I love learning. Oh, and the other thing is I love to push my boundaries. So I guess that comes with this whole thing, is in order to experience something new, I am a believer that you have to step out of your square meter of comfort because there's an entire world waiting for you. Number 3, being kind makes me happy. I know this sounds very cliche, but I've learned if you're kind to people, they're most likely kind to you. And if you respect people, they respect you. It's this give and take thing. That's how I managed to surround myself with wonderful people that inspire me every single day. And who wouldn't want that? So why do I start a YouTube channel? Well, if you've listened to the first few minutes, then you know I love to learn and I like to push my boundaries. So, hello YouTube, here I am. Now in all seriousness, and I am German, we love to be serious. I actually wanted to start a YouTube channel about 5 years ago, or even longer than that, and I completely procrastinated on this. And the reason why I did was I was scared of putting content out there and being judged on it and not being liked, and I was scared of not being good enough. And I recently learned that no matter what you do, there is a balance in life. So there will be 50% that will like you and 50% that won't like you. So I decided, well, if that's the case, I might as well just be myself and do what I do and just put it out there, and maybe you find me and I find you and we like each other and we can just stick together. With this channel, I hope I can inspire and encourage you to follow your own passions, pursue your happiness, do what you want to do in your life, because nobody else can tell you what's right for you and what's wrong. Only you know what's best for you. That's pretty much it. High five for sticking through that video. Woo! If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to, you know, have a weekly sort of conversation going on. I'm gonna push videos up every week, stuff for your business, how-to videos, tutorials, app reviews, anything that can help you to be your own boss or grow your company. And also make sure that you leave a comment and we can start a conversation. This is not a one-way thing, guys. It's you and me now. Comments and let me know what you want to see so I can create videos on it. Bye! You can sell the microphone. No, number 3 that you would have not known otherwise. This is my second language. Hallo, mein Name ist Katrin. So, this doesn't look very nice. It's a bit annoying. Yeah, let's just, follow each other's journey,